keeping your gutters clean doesn't have to be a hassle. In this video, we'll reveal the best vacuum for gutter cleaning, a powerful, efficient tool designed to tackle leaves, debris, and grime with ease. Let's dive in. Number 1. Craftsman Vacuum Cleaner. The Craftsman Vacuum Cleaner is a dependable option for homeowners seeking an effective and safe way to maintain clean, debris-free gutters. Designed to convert a standard wet/dry vacuum into a high-powered gutter cleaner, this accessory kit makes clearing out leaves, twigs, and debris quick and hassle-free. One of its most appreciated features is its ability to reach into difficult areas. The kit includes nozzles and wands that easily get into hard-to-reach corners and tight spots along the gutter system, eliminating the need for risky ladder work. This means you can clean more efficiently while keeping both feet on solid ground. Another highlight is the blower nozzle attachment. By simply connecting your vacuum hose to the blowing port and attaching this specialized nozzle, you can blast leaves and other debris from your gutters without climbing up. It's a practical feature that makes maintaining gutters much less of a chore. The Craftsman Vacuum Cleaner Kit comes with everything you need: a gutter nozzle, a blower nozzle, and 2 extension wands, providing the flexibility to customize your cleaning reach and technique. Compatible with Craftsman and most other wet/dry vacs with a 2.5-inch hose, this kit offers excellent versatility. Durable and easy to assemble, the components are built to handle the rigors of outdoor use and seasonal cleanups. It's especially useful for homeowners who already own a compatible vacuum, transforming it into a multifunctional tool without the need for additional equipment. The simplicity of the design means you can get to work quickly with intuitive attachments and solid. Number 2. Sealegend Vacuum Cleaner. The Sealegend Vacuum Cleaner is a smartly designed gutter cleaning solution that prioritizes safety and convenience. Perfect for homeowners eager to avoid the dangers of ladder work, this tool allows you to tackle clogged gutters directly from the ground. Its most notable feature is its innovative design, which fits standard 1/2-inch vacuums, while also including 2 universal stretch connectors, extending compatibility to vacuums slightly under that size. This thoughtful addition ensures that more users can adapt their existing shop vacuums for gutter cleaning. An upgraded lockout connection design makes this tool even more reliable. It provides a stable, secure fit that holds firm during use, preventing the tool from disconnecting when blasting through tough debris. The Sealegend kit also includes 3 lockout-type extension wands, a 120 degrees curved gutter nozzle, and a tip nozzle. This combination allows you to easily reach up to 5 feet from the ground, making it ideal for single-story homes or areas with slightly elevated gutters. The curved nozzle is especially handy for hooking into the gutter channel and removing leaves and debris without repositioning yourself repeatedly. It offers excellent maneuverability for hard-to-reach sections and awkward angles, ensuring a thorough clean without hassle. The DIY capability of this kit is another strong point. You can customize your setup by adjusting the number of wands or swapping out nozzles depending on the cleaning task, which adds valuable flexibility. Number 3. Alloyman Vacuum Cleaner. The Alloyman Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a highly capable, all-in-one solution for cleaning gutters safely and effectively without a ladder. Designed with convenience in mind, this vacuum features a powerful 26,000 RPM brushless motor that delivers an impressive 580 CFM airflow and 180 miles per hour wind speed. This high-powered performance makes short work of wet leaves, pine needles, and stubborn debris, clearing clogged gutters quickly and efficiently. A particularly impressive feature is the extendable pole, which reaches up to 55 inches, allowing users to clean high-roof gutters without climbing ladders. This eliminates a significant safety hazard while simplifying what is often a tedious chore. The vacuum is fitted with a 270 degrees adjustable nozzle, providing precise control for targeting tight gutter corners, eaves, or ground-level leaf piles. It's an excellent tool for homeowners who need to manage intricate or hard-to-reach areas in their yard. Weighing only 3.8 pounds and featuring an ergonomic, anti-slip grip, the Alloyman Vacuum Cleaner is designed for fatigue-free operation. Its balanced design allows for extended use without discomfort, whether you're working overhead or along the ground. Another standout aspect is its versatility. The Alloyman functions not just as a gutter vacuum, but also as an efficient leaf blower, tackling a variety of yard cleanup tasks and saving valuable time throughout the year. Built with durability in mind, this tool offers reliable performance season after season. Its compact, lightweight build combined with serious cleaning power makes it an excellent choice for both occasional maintenance and regular yard care. Whether you're preparing for a storm, tidying up after one, or handling routine leaf fall, the Alloyman vacuum cleaner is up to the task. Number 4. Feihu Vacuum Cleaner. The Feihu vacuum cleaner is an excellent option for homeowners seeking a high-powered, cordless gutter cleaning solution that delivers both performance and convenience. Outfitted with a 40V brushless motor, this vacuum boasts an impressive 580 CFM airflow and 180 miles per hour wind speed. This ensures that even wet, clumped-together leaves and stubborn debris are effortlessly cleared from your gutters. One of the defining features of this model is its unique 55-inch metal extension rod. Unlike many competitors that use plastic attachments, Feihu's metal rod offers added strength and durability, ensuring long-lasting use without the risk of cracking or breaking under pressure. This extension allows users to clean high gutters safely from the ground, eliminating the need for hazardous ladder work. Equipped with a 270 degrees adjustable nozzle, the Feihu provides excellent control for cleaning gutter corners, tight spots, and hard-to-reach areas without constant repositioning. The vacuum comes with two 40V 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, each offering up to 30 minutes of runtime. This extended battery life ensures you can complete most gutter cleaning jobs in one go, saving time and minimizing interruptions. Aside from gutter cleaning, the Feihu vacuum cleaner doubles as a powerful leaf blower, making it a versatile addition to any yard maintenance toolkit. It's ideal for clearing driveways, patios, and lawn areas quickly and effectively. Number 5. Sealegend Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Sealegend Dry Vacuum Cleaner is another reliable offering for homeowners aiming to safely clean gutters from the ground. This tool is specially designed to fit 2.5-inch vacuums, not for blowers, and includes two universal stretch connectors, expanding its compatibility to slightly smaller hoses. This makes it an accessible option for users with various vacuum models in their garage. What sets this tool apart is its upgraded lockout connection design, which ensures a secure, stable fit that won't come apart during use. The set includes 4 lockout-type extension wands, a 120 degrees curved gutter nozzle, and a tip nozzle, offering a versatile combination of attachments to handle different cleaning challenges. With a reach of approximately 5.6 feet from the ground, it's ideal for single-story homes or areas where direct access is limited. The curved nozzle is particularly useful for hooking into gutter channels and clearing out compacted debris without needing to move frequently. Its thoughtful DIY accessory setup allows users to adjust the length and attachments to suit the specific cleaning task at hand. Whether you're removing wet leaves, pine needles, or storm debris, this kit offers effective, efficient performance. Built from durable materials, the Sealegend Dry Vacuum Cleaner is designed for multiple seasons of use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.